Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen clock style on your Samsung Galaxy F55. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type lock screen and AOD. Wait for the search results to appear. This option helps you adjust lock screen and display settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find lock screen and AOD and tap on it, then select the Edit Lock Screen option. Step 5. For the last and most important step, locate the clock style and tap on it. Choose your preferred clock design from the available options. Once you've made your selection, tap Done to apply the changes. Your lock screen clock style will be updated instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.